Get traffic with Blogger. How to get traffic to your website using Blogger. When building your own websites or blogs, one helpful tool that can help your site succeed is to learn how to generate traffic using Blogger. No matter how interesting your own website or blog may be, if no one visits it, you are guaranteed to make no income from ads or affiliate programs. Of course, keyword research is an essential part of any successful blog, so you can rank high in Google when someone types in the specific keywords you're trying to rank for. Aside from SEO, however, you can get traffic to your site in many other ways, and one of the best methods is by using Blogger. Blogger, also referred to as Blogspot, offers free blogs that can be built in minutes and carry the benefits of ranking quite highly in Google, unlike your new blog that stands on its own. Though quite simplistic in features, you can make a very nice looking blog and even monetize it with AdSense and other affiliate programs, so it not only helps generate traffic to your main site, it can also be another revenue source. With Blogger, the URL you choose will have blogspot.com attached to the end, but you do have the option to purchase a domain name to make blogspot.com disappear, giving it a more professional appearance. Because Blogger ranks so quickly in Google, it can be used as a tool to point traffic to your main website or blog instead of waiting for your site to mature on its own, which can take some time. Though people use Blogger in many different ways, the key is to build Blogger blogs in your niche so that visitors have reason to click through links which will send them to your main blog or website. For example, if you have a main blog about auto parts which you're trying to get traffic to, you can build a free Blogger blog quickly that's about car batteries or floor mats, and then you would put links to your main site. One word of warning, however, is that Blogger does not like pop-up blogs that are all pointing to the same URL. So be sure to have links to other useful articles that you've written on other sites like Squidoo or Hub Pages and other interesting, relevant material on the web. Blogger has also been known to shut down blogs that they feel are spammy, and because it's a free blog, they certainly have every right to do so. So be sure to produce quality when building a Blogger blog, or you will be wasting your time.